And back in another video today, I'm going to review my new car. Actually, it's my dad's new car because he just bought a bad A machine. I'm going to review it. Here it is. The Ford Ranger. A bad A machine. This is an A machine. This is the pickup. This is the machine. This is the off-road wagon. It's like a swimming pool here. Wait a minute. Why does look guys, it's a swimming pool. What? Why is my car truck was a swimming pool? Oh my god. Oh my god. I can live in this pool. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, this is, this is easy. So you get out of the bed and hup. Over here is gonna be the inside. You want to see the inside? See, there's a couple of storage, and over here is the legit house. So get out here, shoo. Dog, I'm making a video here. Shoo. Come on, shoo. We're gonna got some fenders. I will take you to the chassis. See, the chassis was here. This is the badass chassis. And look at these new wheels. This is sponsored by Ford. It's giving us this new Ford Ranger for my dad. Sponsored from Japanese wheel makers. Fingers give me this new Japanese wheel. A new hope from Ford. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!